Haverim Yekarim, dear friends, we are at the end of Pesach, and we start a new rebirth in this time of spring. So we finish all the holiday of Pesach, and at the very end, we say Iskor. Iskor is a prayer that was added into our service in order to understand the fragility of life and the importance of memory. So we add Iskor in order to bring our dear ones into our lives, but also to understand that life is very fragile and we have to take every single day and live it to the fullest. We finish Pesach and we read Parashat Shemini. Parashat Shemini on the 8th day, we read about all the laws of kosher, how to keep a kosher life. And it's not just about what you can or you cannot do. It's basically and mostly about the fragility of life, how we as humans, we are limited. All the limits that we have, we cannot, as we say in Yiddish, fressen. We have to essen, meaning we cannot just grab whatever we want, but we have limitations as human beings. And besides that, and more important than that, we bring the presence of God into our food, into those natural, that is not so natural things that we do every day. We bless God, we bring it, even when we take a cup of coffee, when we eat something, when we bring the new fruit of life, of a tree, into our lives. There, in those ordinary that become extraordinary moments into our lives, we bring the presence of God. So we transition this time of Pesach into Parashat Shemini, into the laws of kosher. We understand that we were taken out of Egypt, but we needed to walk on our own walk during the desert time. And after we did that, we committed to the mitzvot, and we start a life full of mitzvot, bringing the divine presence into our lives. So may we be blessed with a beautiful time of spring, a time in which we are able to bring God into our lives, in which we differentiate from ourselves from any other animal, in which we can bless the food that we have. Let we be blessed with a beautiful and new, renewed time after Pesach. Chag Sameach and Shabbat Shalom.